Welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we will be doing a reaction video again, and this reaction video was requested by, I don't know how to say it correctly, but it was requested by the Dark Ops or the Dark Ops Z. So thank you for suggesting and thank you for requesting this reaction video of Ken's composition. So this reaction video is dedicated to you. Please subscribe. I hope you like this, and thank you for supporting SB19. Let's go! Let's go.
You know, I'm waiting every day. See small again. Waiting every day. See small again. Cause I can see the sun shining. You know I've been waiting. Maybe I'm just dreaming. I just can't stop smiling. But because I'm right inside.
Wow.
That is really getting now. Yeah, yeah. I can't wait just to hurry up and take it now. Baby, you can do what you want to do.
Wow. All I can say is wow. So mga ka-18, yung mga may bias kay Ken, siguradong kinilig sa pagdinig nila dun sa bagong composition na ating Bebe Ken. So yan guys, congratulations dahil I know and I declare na ginawa ni Bebe Ken yon para sa inyong mga may bias sa kanya at para sa ating lahat. So keep supporting SB19 guys, thank you so much. And ito yung sariling atin so keep supporting them and thank you so much. Ayun, parang sumabra yung pag-react ko kay Bebe Ken, kay Chicken. So, baka magselos yung Bebe Sedun ko. Assuming. I love you, Bebe Ken, but I love you more, Bebe Sedun. So, yan, thank you for viewing and thank you for watching this reaction video, mga MiKiss. I hope you liked it and please subscribe and like and click the notification bell for more updates and for more reaction videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You are blessed. Bye-bye.